Hi, in this video we will learn how to link cells in Excel, both from the same Excel file and from another Excel file. Linking cells within the same Excel file. Here in this workbook, I have two spreadsheets. Let's say we want to link the value to cell C5 in the first sheet. 1. Click on cell C5. 2. Type equals 3. Now go to the second sheet. 4. Select the cell you want to link. You'll see it gets highlighted. 5. Press enter. The value from the second sheet is now copied and linked to C5 of the first sheet. If we double-click the cell, you'll see the formula. You can also drag this formula forward and the linked values will update automatically. Linking cells from another Excel file. Now let's delete these and try linking again, this time from a different Excel file. 1. Go to C5 and type equals 2. Now go to View. Switch windows. 3. Select the other Excel file. 4. Choose the cell you want to link. 5. Press enter. You will see the value appear in C5. If you double-click, you'll notice the formula looks different. It includes the file name and $signs, meaning the reference is fixed. Because of these $signs, absolute reference, you cannot drag the formula forward yet. To fix this, remove the $signs from the formula. Now you can copy or drag the formula across other cells, and the values will update correctly. Thanks for watching.